So one fairly obvious issue when dealing with CUDA programs is the desire to figure out what the performance is like. After all, if CUDA didn't have a performance advantage over GPU architectures, we probably wouldn't be using it in the first place. So how do we actually measure performance? Well, the most obvious is to use operating system timers, but these are likely to drag in a lot of CPU-side code into the calculations, and that's something we actually want to avoid. Another option is to simply use the profiler that's included with Nsight. In actual fact, there are two profilers included, so there's even some choice there, but whichever one you choose, you are limited to recording the duration of the kernel calls as well as some of the CUDA's function calls, such as memcpy, for example. So the profiler is great, but it's not very flexible. And that's why we have this idea of CUDA events. Essentially, a CUDA event is simply a timestamp that's recorded on the GPU. And the process of recording that timestamp, it actually happens on the CPU though. But this way, the CPU can in no way interfere what's actually going on the GPU. So you're effectively getting a very clean reading, so to speak, from your graphics device.